Good morning, students. Welcome to a learning program managed by Modern English School Navada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to discuss exercise 2C and 2D of chapter 2. So let us understand how to find the prime factorization of the following number. So how to in exercise 2C, there is only how to find the prime factorization of the number. So let us take an example 252. And let's understand how to find the prime factor of this. First of all, I start dividing it by 2. 2 times how many? 1, 2, 6. Again 2 times, how many times? 63. Again 3 times, 21. Again 3 times, 7. So what is the prime factorization of 252? Prime factorization of 252 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. This is the answer. Okay. Now we will understand about how to find HCF and LCM. Okay. How to find HCF and LCM. So to find HCF, let us take an example. 144 and 198. We have to find the HCF of 144 and 198. I start dividing it by. I start dividing the 198 by 144. How many times? 1 times 144, 4, and 9 minus 4 is 5. Again divided by with the previous divisor. Divide this remainder with the previous divisor. 144. Now, how many times? 2 times. 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. Now, 36. Now again divided by 54. How many times? 1 times 36. Again 8, 1, 18. Yes. Again divided by 36. 18 to the 36. Now we get here 18, 36, 18 to the 36. So the last divisor will be our HCF. So HCF of 144 and 198 will be equal to 18. In this way you will find the HCF. You can also find HCF. This is division method. This is division method. You can also find by prime factorization method. 144. Find the prime factorization of 144. 2, 72, 2, 36, 2, 18 times, 2, 9 times, 3, 3 times. Again 198, 2, 9 18, 99, 3, 33, 3, 11. So what is the prime factor of? So prime factor of 144 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Again, prime factor of 198 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. So what is the common? So common you are getting, this 2 is common, this 3 is common, and again this 3 is common, again this 3. Two into 3 into 3 into 11. So 1 2 is common and 2 3 is common. So HCF will be equal to 2 into 3 into 3, which is 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 80. This is called prime factorization method. Now we will see how to find HCF of a 3 number, 144, 180 and 192. How to find the HCF of 3 numbers? First of all, you can also go by division method and you can also go by prime factorization method. So with the prime factorization method, when you find the prime factor of 144, it will be 2 into 2. How many times? 2 4 times into 3 into 3. This is the prime factor. What is the prime factor of 180? Prime factor of 180 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay? And prime factor of 192 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay? So this is equals 2 to the power. I can write how many 2 are there? 4 2 are there. 2 to the 4 into 3 square, and here 2 square into 3 square into 5, and here 2 to the power. How many 2 are there? 2 2 is 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 3. 2 to the power 6 into 3. So here you have to find what is the common. What is common in 2 is common. 2 is common in each of these. And what is the lowest power of 2? HCF will be equal to lowest power. This is the lowest power, 2 square. And what is common? 3 is also common. And what is the lowest power of 3? Lowest power of 3 is 3. So 2 square into 3, which is 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12. Okay, so 12 is the HCF. In this way you will solve it. Now how will you find the LCM? So LCM is again, you can find, for example, 12 and 48, 12 and 64. You have to find the LCM of both. So how will you find? By division method. 2 6 are 12, 2 32, 2 3 are, and 2 16 times. Now nothing. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 2, multiply all this, into 3 into 16. So this is the LCM. You can also find LCM 2 to the 4, 3 to 12. 12 into 16 is 192. So LCM will be equal to 192. You can also find this by prime factorization. So by prime factorization method, what is the LCM of, what is the prime factor of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. And what is the prime factor of 64? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So find what is common. You can write it 2 square into 3. And it is, you can write 2 to the power. So what is common? 2 is common. And what is the highest power of 2? Highest power of 2 is LCM. Is 2 to the power 6. And also multiply non-common factor. What is non-common factor? Non-common factor is 3. So multiply 2 to the power 6 into 3, which is 64 into 3, which is equal to 192. Again, you are getting the same thing. Now, there is a formula. Suppose you have two numbers, 12 and 64. Two numbers. This is one number. This is your first number. And this is your second number. And if HCF is given, suppose LCM is given. LCM is equal to 192. We have previously calculated. So what is the HCF? HCF will be equal to product of the number. Product of the number divided by LCM, or first number into second number, which is equal to 12 into 64 divided by LCM, which is 192. You can divide it 12 how many times? 64, 3 is a, and 3, 4 is a. So LCF will be equal to 4. And similarly, if you want to find the LCM, then how will you find? LCM will be equal to, in that case, LCM will be equal to product of the number, multiply those number, divided by HCF, divided by HCF. In this way, you will solve this type of problem. And suppose if HCF and LCM both are given, and first number is given, you have to find the second number. Then second number is equal to HCF into LCM by first number. And suppose if you want to find the first number, then it will be HCF into LCM by second number. In this way, you will use these formulas and solve the problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.